In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate a hosting plan on Bluehost step by step so you know exactly what to click and what to expect along the way. By the end, you'll have your hosting plan fully activated and ready for your website. Let's start from the very beginning. First, make sure you're logged into your Bluehost account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is the control center for everything related to your websites, domains, and hosting. If you're not already there, look for an option labeled Dashboard near the top of the page or in the main navigation menu and click it. Give the page a second to load so you can see all your account information clearly from your dashboard. The next thing you want to do is find the section dedicated to hosting. Look along the top navigation bar or on the left-hand side for a tab that says Hosting. Click on that. This will take you to the hosting area where you can manage existing hosting services and, more importantly for this tutorial, explore new hosting plans. Once you're in the hosting section, look for a button or link that says Explore Plans or something very similar. This is usually prominently displayed because it's where Bluehost shows you all the different hosting options they offer. Go ahead and click Explore Plans. Now you'll be taken to a page that lists the available hosting plans. Here, you'll typically see a few different options laid out side by side, such as basic plans and more advanced ones with extra features. Take a moment to look through the details for each plan. Pay attention to things like how many websites you can host, how much storage you get, whether a free domain is included, and any additional features that matter to you, such as backups or security tools. Once you've reviewed the options and know which one fits your needs, click on the plan you want. This is often a button under the plan that says something like Select or Get Started. Clicking that will move you into the purchase process for that specific hosting plan. You'll now go through the checkout steps. On this screen, you may be asked to confirm the plan term, such as choosing between a 1-year or multi-year option, and you might see some optional add-ons. Only select add-ons that you know you need. You can usually add more later if you change your mind. Then move on to entering or confirming your billing information and payment method. Take your time here to make sure all the details are correct before you proceed. After you've filled everything out, review your order summary one last time. Make sure the plan, term, and total cost look right. When you're ready, complete the purchase by clicking the button to finalize the payment. As soon as your payment goes through, your Bluehost hosting plan will be activated automatically. There's nothing extra you need to do to turn it on. You should see a confirmation screen, and you may also receive an email letting you know that your hosting is active. From there, you can return to your dashboard where you'll now see your new hosting plan ready to use for setting up your website.